Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2021 Kenworth, folks. Beautiful truck. Universal mounting kit on the back. Carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, many other brands. Brand new 25 by 102 steel bed. Completely primed and repainted, folks. Beautiful unit. As you can see, brand new tires on the front, 315s. Nice aluminum tank on the passenger side. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the original chassis has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new bed on this unit. Does have a third lift axle, 12,000 pound capacity there. Truck is a 54.6 GVW on the original plus the 12,000. As you can see, tire condition 80% to new all the way around. Universal mounting kit. Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, can fit most brands. Let us know what you have. We can make any alterations for you. As we come around the driver's side, brand new ratchets and straps on this unit. Excellent tire condition, 80% to new. Brand new fronts, 315s, heavy tread. This unit has 175,000 miles on it. As you can see, it's in excellent condition inside. 175,000 miles. P9 engine, automatic Allison transmission. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. More than happy to answer any questions you have. Give us a call. We greatly appreciate your time.